Knowing where trucks are in demand can be a huge advantage for carriers looking to make more money. In areas where there are more loads than trucks, carriers can find it easier to book a load and even get paid a better rate as brokers compete for the available trucks. DAT1 helps identify these areas using the national load count found in the dashboard menu. First, choose the equipment type you have. The chart will update with real-time posting numbers, showing you the number of loads going into and out of each state listed. Seeing the outbound volume will show you how many loads are in that area. Click on the word out, and you can sort the chart by the states with the highest load volumes. States where there are more loads going out than loads coming in indicate an area where trucks are in demand. Brokers often have to compete with one another when carrier capacity is tight. This can drive up rates for the carriers. Conversely, states with lower volumes of loads often end up with lower rates as carriers compete with one another for the limited number of loads. Knowing this can help you plan your trips to maximize your profit, avoiding areas with lower rates and getting to areas with higher ones. Knowing the load totals can also help you in negotiating. If a broker is offering a load to an area that you will not be in demand, you can negotiate the rate higher, knowing that the brokers can struggle to find a carrier willing to go there. Information is power, and DAT1 provides you with the data you'll need to make the best decisions.